Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I'm Kunjina and you're watching Makeup Mania 777. About a month ago, I went totally organic with my skincare and I started using Juicy Chemistry products, and today I'm going to review them for you. If you don't know what Juicy Chemistry is, it is a skincare company. It creates herbal products, it creates organic skincare products and hair care products which do not contain any parabens, sulfates, silicones, colorants, etc. It is an all-in-all organic brand and I bought quite a lot of products from this brand. Now most of the products are so affordable from this brand that I was like, this is unreal, because a lot of brands these days, I won't take any names of course, have taken this Ayurvedic label to a totally different level. Like, products are so expensive from certain brands that they are completely out of reach of the common man. Like, I've seen products which are like 1400, 1700, 2000 rupees, which not everybody wants to spend on skincare products. Whereas Juicy Chemistry, on the other hand, has a very affordable price tag, which is why I really like this brand. So let's get started. Juicy Chemistry products come in these, most of the cleansing and the scrubbing products, even the masks come in a plastic packaging like so. It comes with a screw cap and the product looks like this. It has a aluminium foil on top of the product to create a protective layer, and they come with a wee spoon, like a wooden spoon like this. So you need to scoop out the product and then apply it. So the first product which I'm going to review is the Avarambo Senna and Bergamot Scrub. This is what it looks like. It's basically a cane sugar scrub, and it smells predominantly of senna flowers. So if you do not like the smell of senna flowers, I don't think you are going to enjoy it, the smell of it. Nonetheless, it's a very nice potent scrub. It has cane sugar in it, and the cane sugar is quite gritty, so it cleanses your skin really well. I usually apply it with a drop, with a few drops of water, and just massage it onto my skin and continue to massage it till the sugar granules totally melt off and I'm left with no gritty particles on my face. I would say that if you have very irritated, sensitive skin, then you should do a patch test, because the sugar particles are quite gritty and abrasive. So if you have very irritated skin, it can irritate your skin even further. So I would suggest that you try it like on a certain area of the skin, say an area which is not very visible, and then just scrub that area and see that if it gets irritated. And if it doesn't, then you can continue to use it. However, limit the use of this product to once a week if you have irritated skin. If you have oily skin, you can use it twice. I would say twice a week as well. Live in very humid areas, I would say that you close the cap really tightly, because sometimes the sugar can melt if you live in damp, humid conditions. So that is one thing I'd like to mention. This product also contains very skin-friendly oils such as sweet almond oil, jojoba oil, bergamot oil, and even extra virgin olive oil, all of which are really good for the skin. So it doesn't strip your skin off. In fact, it leaves behind a nice coating of oil which really nourishes your skin. The next product is also a cleanser, and this is the Yang Yang and Lavender Daily Cleanser. This one retails for about 200 rupees, I believe, for 35 grams of product, and it's again the same standard packaging. It has a nice smell. It's nothing overpowering. It has a very Ayurvedic kind of smell, and it does not linger for a very long time. I think this is one of my favorite products from the entire line, because it's a very soothing, gentle cleanser. So even if you have like very irritated skin, you can completely use it without your skin getting further irritated. If you have oily skin, you can also use it as a daily cleanser, morning and evening. I have been using it, and I have actually, this is my second tub, because I have been using it continuously. Particles on this are very funny milk. They are not at all gritty, and they're very smooth, and they do not harm the skin. They're not harsh on the skin, and the almond meat is really smooth, so it cleanses your skin without irritating your skin. It also contains a blend of very nice oils like lavender and Yang Yang essential oils, which make it a really potent cleanser. Also, it cleans the skin in a way like you can feel the smoothness on the skin. I like it. This is my second tub, as I said before, and I think that this is one product which I will continue to use because it's such a gentle cleanser, and on days when you want like a little pick me up, it's a great product. Next product which I'm going to talk about is the Rose and Sandalwood Mask. As you can see that I've used almost all of the product. It's a great pick-me-up product on days when my skin feels really dull, very I can see that my skin is lacking that vitality. I just reach out to this one. This is a really nice product. It just brightens the skin really well. It contains sandalwood and rose essential oils, which makes the skin really soft and supple and provides the skin with a very nice glow, which I personally really like. So if you have dry skin, I'd say you could give this one a miss because it does contain Multani Mitti, Fuller's Earth. But if you have oily skin, it's not only going to remove all the oily residue from your skin, but it's also going to nourish your skin and make it more smoother visibly, and it just looks really nice. I actually used it today and I think that my skin looks so much better. On days when you have to go somewhere special, if you have an event to attend, you can definitely give this one a go because it's a really nice product and it gives your skin that much needed oomph. To use this product is that I scoop out a little amount of it on a ceramic saucer and then add a few drops of say rose water or sometimes even water, and then apply it all over my face, making sure that I cover the neck area as well. And then after keeping on for say 15 minutes, I wash it off with lukewarm water and then follow it up with the other skincare items from the range, and it has really helped me fight a lot of skin issues. And then this is one product which I'm definitely looking forward to repurchase because it's very inexpensive for 250 rupees for 25 grams of product, and I think that it's quite inexpensive and affordable. Okay. Now I'm going to talk about the powerhouse cleanser from this entire line, and this is the tea tree and charcoal mask for acne control and blackheads. Now this is the product which is going to remove and eradicate all kinds of impurities from your face. It's like it just pulls out all the dirt from your face. 25 grams for 300 rupees, and this is what it looks like. I really like this product. I've used it 4 to 5 times and I've actually seen my skin a lot more cleaner. It has a very green greyish color to it and smells strongly of. I use it by applying it with of water and then applying it all over my face, leaving on for say about 15 to 20 minutes and then washing it off. I'd say that if you are combination skin, keep it on for 7 to 10 minutes, not more than that, because it can actually strip the skin of its natural oils, but nothing too much. I really like this product and it actually acts like a magnet and pulls off the whiteheads. I don't really have blackheads. I remove all the blackheads with the blackhead extractor, but the whiteheads have actually been removed from this mask and I really like this. I also noticed that this product diminished the size of my acne. It did not eradicate my acne completely, but it did diminish the size to a great extent, and I think that with prolonged use it will be able to remove the acne altogether. So I really like this product and it's one of those few products that you should definitely try from this line if you have oily skin, that is. On days when you think that you need a little bit of extra TLC, you can use this. I would recommend that you use it only once a week. No matter what skin type you are, use it once a week because using it more than once a week can actually irritate the skin. The next two products are serums. They are oil blends. First one is the Argan and Rose Day Serum. It has natural SPF in it and you can see strands of saffron inside the bottle. It's a very beautiful glass packaging. I really like the packaging. It's so small and cute, and the dispenser is a dropper like so, and it dispenses the product very nicely. It comes in a glass packaging, so be careful. I actually dropped it but it did not break, but you never know with glass products. The way I use it is that I spritz some rose water on my face. This one is from Kama Ayurveda, and then take a few drops of the Argan and Rose Day Serum and apply it all over my face. I really like this product. It has brightened my skin, but I haven't seen that much of a result as compared to the cell construction is the best oil blend serum type Ayurvedic product I've come across. I have used a number of oil blends from a number of brands, and they're quite expensive to be honest. But this one retails for 350 rupees for 8 ml of product. I've been using it every night, and I have gone through more than half of the bottle. I just used 2 drops of it after spritzing my face with the same rose water, and it really blends smoothly into the skin. It has very runny consistency. It has a beautiful amber golden color. I really like this product. I think this is the best product from the entire line, and I have been using it non-stop. My mother also uses it, and she too has noticed a difference in her skin. One product which I would highly recommend from the line, this is the Cell Construction Night Repair Serum, and it's really inexpensive for a serum. It's 350 rupees for 8 ml of product, and I think that this size will last you an entire month, because I have spent an entire month using it every day, and I think that I've used more than half of the bottle, and there's quite a lot of product left inside. So this is one product which I would highly recommend from the line. Final 2 products which I'm going to talk about are hair care products. The first one is the Argan and Mango Butter Mask. This is like a pre-shampoo hair mask product. It's a blend of many oils in its solidified form. However, when I received it, it did melt off during transit, and then I refrigerated it and it went back to normal. It did solidify, and a lint goes a very long way with this one. You don't need a lot of product. I think 2 spoonfuls of the bee spoon which comes with it will cover like my length, like shoulder length hair. And it's quite effective. I won't say that it is a life-changing product, but it did smooth a lot of my face. I actually used it yesterday, and you can see my hair. I haven't done any kind of styling. It's just freshly washed hair, and this is what it looks like. It makes the hair a little shiny and smooth, and it just makes the hair detangled and removes frizz to a great extent, which is a remarkable quality in a product if you live in Calcutta. You can see by the beads of sweat that I have on my face, the weather is very, very humid, but my hair hasn't converted itself into a big frizz ball. So I give a good thumbs up to this product. I really like it. The smell is nice. It smells predominantly of peppermint, which I don't really mind. But if you don't like the smell of peppermint, then I would suggest it to stay away from this product, because it smells a lot of peppermint. Final product is the hair oil. I won't be able to talk much about it because I have used it only 5 or 4 times, but it has made my hair softer to touch. Nothing more than that, nothing less than that. It hasn't eradicated the hair fall. It hasn't really helped with my grain, but that is only 3 times of usage. You can't really tell. I'm actually going to review it on my blog post using at least 2 files of this product, because I want to give it a fair chance to prove itself. Otherwise, just using it 3 or 4 times and then going out on the camera and saying that it's a good product or a bad product doesn't really make sense. So I'm definitely going to give it a try, and I'm going to review it on my blog and let you guys know what I think of it. But as of now, I'd say that it smells very bad. It smells horribly bad, and I don't like the packaging on it. It doesn't come with like any kind of guard on the top. So you have to pour out the oil, and more often than not you'll pour out a lot of your oil, and that can cause spillage. I'd say be very careful while using this oil, because it has a very runny consistency. It's a very thin oil. It spreads a lot. So while you're pouring it out, you can actually take out quite a lot of the product. So be very careful with that. And one thing I've noticed during the application is that you do not need a lot of oil. It has a very strong burnt herbal kind of a smell, but I don't really mind that if that really helps me in having beautiful hair. However, I don't think that you can wear it overnight, because the smell is very, very strong. It has a color to it. It can stain your pillow. So these are the few things I'd like to tell you right off the bat, because these are the first impressions that I got from this oil. But overall, you will have to wait for my blog post to know more about this oil. So that's it. That concludes my review of all the juicy chemistry products I bought last month. If you like this video, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I put up 2 videos every week. Subscription is absolutely free of cost, just so you know. Also, you can reach out to my blog, which I will mention in the down bar below. Prices of all the products will be mentioned in the down bar below. I will also mention, like seriously, I will also mention the website in the down bar below for you guys to check out. If you want to know any more things about these products, or in case I have missed out on something, do not forget to comment in the comment section below and let me know. I will obviously reply to each one of you, and let's interact a little more because I really want to know you guys. And yeah, that pretty much concludes my video, and with that I call it a wrap for today, and I will see you soon. Bye.